Not gonna lie, there were a couple difficult image pages to use in this paper pad that we're doing Bashelor with, but week 3 required us to use it. Hello, my name is Nikki and I'm with Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. So this is one of the papers that I chose to go ahead and tackle during the week 3 of Bashelor, where we had to kiss the uglies goodbye. Now, this is not an ugly paper by any means. However, it is heavy icons, and I do struggle to use papers like this, probably like most of you. So I chose to go the kind of obvious route with one of my papers that I created, and that was to just use it as a teacup. And so I Googled, and you're gonna laugh at me, quotes about tea. You know what I found? Positivity. So I grabbed a sketch from Creative Scrappers, sketch 160, and I totally made it. The power of positivity. So I only used a small itty bitty section of my 12 by 12 paper, clearly. But I also used scraps from other pages. So for example, another really hard paper to use is these coffee cups. So I thought a perfect opportunity to go ahead and layer them up. And then I also used a lot of multicolor papers, which is something I don't normally do. I usually don't mix multicolor patterns, but because there's part of the same paper pack, you can go ahead and do that. So on this page, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different patterned papers, plus a red and the yellow, which is also a pattern, but they're not multicolor. So this is how this one ended up. My husband's like, yeah, I don't really like that one. You know what? I don't care. I used what I had, and that is exactly the point of the Bashelor, is to use what you have, right? Okay, so what did I do with the leftovers? Well, I cut a teacup out, and I cut the heart out of another teacup that was the same color and put it on top, because this just happened to be the one with this little mark. That's intentional, but I didn't want the mark on the heart, so I covered it up. Whatever, right? Okay, so now I'm kind of using it as a patterned paper, but I don't have a photo. So this is how I went ahead and created an L design as a base page. So I took what was left over, cut it down into, I don't know what this is, almost 6 by 12. And then I had another piece of the coffee cups, and I went ahead and layered it on top of this paper, which is also hard to use because there's a lot of multicolors, a lot of words. So my plan is to take a kind of a larger photo, right, and stick it right on top. So you could use something as big as this. Not really recommended, but I also have things like this where I can use a 4x6, I can use a 4x6, I can rotate them kind of, you know, that kind of thing. So out of the 2 papers that I got, or out of the 1 paper, that's the tea print, I got 2 layouts out of it. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So I'll put them both out here. So if you want to get some inspiration, you can. And what's funny is the yellow, the teal, and the coffee cups were in a kit together. So out of my 1 page kit, or 1 date, adventure date, I got 2 papers, or 2 scrapbook pages. Okay, we're on to week 4. Oh, you're interesting. So week 4 is Embellishment Challenge. Today, your challenge is to create 8 unique embellishments to use on your dates to add a little interest and increase the attraction. Ooh la la. And you know what is going to be great about this is you can add your stamps, you can add your dies, you can fussy cut your papers to pull out some of those icons, you can use your punches to make bases. This is going to be an exciting one. So I encourage you to grab the scraps from your layouts and make 8 unique embellishments, and we'll come back next time to talk about week 4. Ooh, you're interesting. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.